At Cordisco Saile, we have the playbook for Uber and Lyft. We know what their tactics are, we know what they're gonna try to argue, and we're really quick to respond and be proactive in getting good settlements. Uber and Lyft is gonna try to make you settle your case sooner than later. They don't want you to get the help that you need. They don't want you to feel better. They wanna compensate you for pennies on the dollar so that they're able to save money in their margins at the end of the day. At Cordisco Saile, we know this. We know that they're gonna say that you had a pre-existing injury from an accident 20 years ago. We know how to combat their arguments. We know how to combat their strategies because we've been through it. We deal with them regularly and we know how to effectively be aggressive with them, but we know how to effectively talk with them and communicate what your injuries are. They're also going to say gaps in treatment. That's why we at Cordisco Saile make sure that you're treating regularly, you're seeing the providers you need to, and that you're staying on track for that treatment plan to make sure that if you're not getting better, you're seeing the doctors who can diagnose you with the injuries you sustained. Half the battle is understanding how you've been impacted, and at Cordisco Saile, we're doing that. We're understanding who you were before and after, and we're able to illustrate that to the insurance company, if it's through means of comprehensive narrative reports, illustrative depictions of your injury, or even in the rarest cases, and sometimes we implement this, is an actual replica of burns that you, or cuts that you've received in your injuries from a plastic surgeon. All these things illustrate and show the impact and also make it real to these insurance companies when they want to just make you a number and they don't want to know who you actually are.